Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay June 15, 2023, Huwebes. Mabuhay po kayo. Welcome po sa Thursday edition ng The Stock Market Today. Ang ating special news ay tungkol po sa AGI. Ako po si Benji Chidoro, isang retired bank officer. And I am invested in the Philippine stock market since 2007. Araw-araw ko po binabalita ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stock sa Philippine market. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, nibitahan ko po kayo mag-subscribe. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gusto niyo pa-review o may mga tanong tungkol sa Philippine stock market, i-comment nyo lang po sa comment box at aking pa-prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Ang mga sinasabi ko po dito ay hindi po financial advice. Huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE. Ngayong araw, June 15, kalagitnaan ng buwan at sweldo day. Dito lamang po sa The Stock Market Today. Ang ating headlines ay matatagpuan po natin sa BDO Securities Summary, no? Ang una po ay DOE postpones GEAP-2 or Green Energy Auction Program 2 pending the release of the final reserve price by the ERC. ERC previously committed to releasing the Green Energy Auction reserve prices this week, which will serve as the ceiling price for GEAP. SM opens first Alphamart store in Pangasinan. So sa SM pala itong Alphamart. AGI extends share buyback plan, allots 2 billion pesos more. Ito pong ating main news. And may I share this with you? AGI disclosed that its board of directors has approved to extend the present share buyback program to April 8, 2025 from the original ending period of April 8, 2024 and increase the amount allocated by an additional 2 billion pesos. The extension and increase in the allocated amount are still geared towards enhancing shareholder value. Okay, if a company believes that its stock is undervalued, then they do a buyback plan on their shares, no? Tingnan natin ang AGI. AGI po, conglomerate, meron po siyang Alliance Global buy rating with a target price of 1860. Nasa 1330 lang po yan yesterday or at 13.9, almost 40% upside. So mamaya silipin po natin si AGI. So right now, meron po tayong comment si Cyborg C5. Good day po. Kuya, pa-review po ng SPENC. Anong nangyari? Bakit walang trading? Salamat po. Okay, unahin po natin si SPENC. But before we get to that, let me check first this news item. Kasi I saw this news item here to answer your question. Ito po, SPENC plans private placement to resume trading. So, ano nangyari dito? Si SPENC kasi, one of the qualifications in order to get listed in the stock exchange is that you have to have a 20% public float. Ibig sabihin, 20% of your total outstanding shares should be held by the public. Nag-below 20% po siya. Kaya po, nag-stop trading po ang PSE o sa SPENC sa PSE. So, it is set to conduct a private placement of shares of about 3 billion to lift its trading suspension from the PSE. Mr. Levista said the company will list about 2.12 billion shares to comply with the minimum 20% public float set by the PSE for newly listed companies. So, if you're newly listed, 20% po yung public float ang requirement. So, 20% of the total outstanding shares should be held by the public. And apparently, nag-below 20% po yan. And therefore, sinuspend ng PSE ang trading. So, what they will do is that they are eyeing this investor who will infuse money into the PSE, meaning bibili siya ng shares para mag-increase yung 20% ownership ni SPNEC or ownership ng public sa SPNEC. So that one investor should increase the public float of SPNEC back to 20%. So yun po ang sagot ko dyan. So salamat po sa Borgsify. So balik po natin dito. So let's now go to the PSE index. So ang index po, umakyat po siya ng 27.36 points, nasa 6461.42, pero hindi po niya na-recoup or na-recover yung yesterday's lost points, 73.20 ang binagsak yesterday, ngayon po ay 24 or 27.36, still sideways to bearish pa rin po. Market activity, all share index is up 0.20%. Sectoral indices are mixed. Financials, holding companies, and properties are up. Samantala, industrials, mining at services ay down. Ang most active stock is SMPH, followed by BDO, SM, Ali, and AC. But we will be taking a look at SPNEC, AGI, SMPH, Ali, and Ayala Corporation. So, let's start now with SPNEC. Okay, sorry po. So, yan po ang ating PSE index. Sorry po, hindi ko po na na-translate, na-transpose. Okay, so yan po ang ating index. And then, let's take a look at the most active stock naman, or our review, SPNEC. Yan, kita nyo na. Okay, ended flat, pero ang last date of trading niya was June 2. So, hindi pa po ito nagre-resume ng trading. The earnings are good for 2022, 33.29. Pero loss po siya noong first quarter of 2021. Oversold level na po si SPNEC. It's just trading sideways to bearish right now, but hopefully they could go back to active trading in the PSE once they are able to put up the 20% or get back to the 20% public float level. Yan po si SPNEC. Support is here at 141. The nearest resistance is here at 150. Okay. So, yan po si SPNEC. And then, si AGI naman. Si AGI, meron po siyang buyback program. Let's see how it's doing. Meron po siyang green candlestick here. And dito po, umaakyat po siya. Pero ngayon ay sunod-sunod na red candlestick. Ngayon ay green, pero red pa rin po dito dahil ang closing price po niya ay mas mababa sa closing price yesterday. Pero it is a green candlestick because yung opening price ngayon ay mas mababa kaysa sa closing price today, kaya po siya green. Kaya po ngayon ay, still bullish on the long term, but on the short and medium term, ito po ay almost sideways ang dating sa akin. So yung black line po na nakikita po natin dito, yan po yung ating long-term indicator to indicate that the trend is still generally upwards. Okay, so that's AGI. Then SMPH, the most active stock. Ito po yung real estate company. Yan, green candlestick, pero generally bearish pa rin po ang dating ni SMPH. So let's try to draw a Darvas box on a very short term. So dito po, from this point to this point here, from March 15 to June 15, that would be about 2 months. Yan po ang general movement ni SMPH. So the support is here at 32.45 and the resistance is here at 34.47. Yes, 34.47 po ang pinaka resistance po niyan, and the basis for that is from March 15 to June 15, a good 3 months. Yan po. And generally, SMPH moves this way for the past 3 months. So it's in general sideways to bearish ang dating. And then si Ayala Corporation naman. Si Ayala, bearish si Ayala, 635. Yan po, it's approaching support. Actually, it's support already. Ito po yung first support level, 624.57. And the second support level is here at 602. So, it has to reach first its first support level at 627, and 602 is the next support level. Approaching support level na po siya sa 635, and well, essentially it's already support level, but it's bearish. Tignan nga natin si Ayala Corporation. Ang target price niya sa conglomerate, may buy rating po siya with a target price of 950 or about a 45% upside. GT Cap has the highest upside at 56.8%. Okay, then after Ayala Corporation, I think I skipped Ali, no? So that si Ali, bahagyang umakyat, pero there's a weak green candlestick here which would indicate that there will be a turnaround, no? Kasi doji po ito. So sana po hindi na po mag-red, pero maaari magkaroon ng red the following day, but this may be a very short red candlestick na lang. Magta-turn around na po si Ayala Corporation. So if we will be basing it on a parallel channel, let's try doing a parallel channel. No, I think we have to do, let's try another one. It's a horizontal ray. So the next support level is here at 2280. Samantalang ang pinaka nearest resistance nakikita ko po dito sa 2635 eh. Pero maganda pong bumili ng Ali ha, kasi napakababa ng presyo, 24.25. So 2280 ang pinaka-support niya, or a 52-week low of 2235, more or less, approaching a 52-week low. At nag-bounce lang po siya ng konti. Kung mag-oversold po, mas maganda pong bumili at that level. Yan po, si Ali. And then, that's it, I guess. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market, ika-15 ng Hunyo. Ito po si Benji Chidoro nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay. Hanggang sa muli, stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.